Good morning, legends. Right now we're out here in Venice Beach, California. It's 8 a.m. and we're gonna go explore for the day, go skate around, go surfing, check out all the vibes out here. We're gonna go hit the skate park for a little bit before the crowds come. I'm not the best skater, but we'll get out there and see what happens.
Like an ember, and all those things we try forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine, we all fine. Sunny day dreams and we up now. Vodka lemonade, I serve it up, it goes down. 75 degrees in a dope sound. All you need to live fine, to live fine. A little sunshine, cause she need it. A dose of rainfall in the evening. The waves crash down and we feel them. Say here's to the nights we steal them. And I be running cause I figured out, the more I slow down, the less I get out. And if we fall, let's be strong now. Moving along, we don't mind, we don't mind. All the good.
Still cruising around here, it's super fun. As I said, I'm not the best skater, but we're getting a couple clips here and there. But I love this park, especially at the morning when it's empty, because you score it pretty much all to yourself.
No one needs to leave, spend our whole lives. Another day in paradise. I'll be gone till November, going through the letters that I send her, and thinking about the moment that I met her.
This bank right here is definitely one of my favorite things here at this park. It's just so much fun. You can cruise back and forth. It's the perfect amount of vertical. That was a sick session. So stoked to have made that happen. Starting to get a little bit busier now. It's almost 10 a.m. So we're gonna roll back to where I'm staying, go get a coffee. I think we'll go check the waves, see if there's anything to go surf, cruise around and check out all the vibes. And I'll show you guys where I'm staying right now. It's a hostel here in Venice Beach. I'm staying here for 2 nights and it's super chill. It's literally right here and the skate park's right there. It's a perfect spot if you just want to come to Venice, hang out, meet other travelers, and go hit the skate park for the day. So that's the skate park right there, and I'll show you guys where I'm staying at. It's right here on this corner. Gonna reload on some coffee right now. Got a little lounge out here, chill out. Skate down to Venice Pier right now, check out the waves, see if there's anything good. It's Saturday morning, so so it's beautiful out. Everyone's out here hanging out. Perfect California day. It's like a local summer right now because it's September, so a lot of the tourists are gone. Just a lot of Californians just out here enjoying their weekends. Venice Beach revolutionized skateboarding with its 1970s skate and surf culture, with Jay Adams, the Z-Boys, Dogtown in general. Skate history goes way back here. Sidewalk surfing, before it was called skateboarding, which is crazy fascinating. When the waves were flat, people were like, hey, we need to do something, you know? So then they invented skateboarding, to where you can go skate on the concrete, surf on the concrete when the waves are flat. So the rest is history. Favorite thing to do in Venice, just hit the boardwalk with the skateboard, cruise around, take it all in. Seriously, just feels like a movie sometimes. Just got my wetsuit and my surfboard from the hostel, and now we're gonna cruise out there, go look for a wave. It's fast little beach break waves, but it looks fun, so we're just gonna jump in the water and give it a little try, you know? This is unreleased Surf and Vibe merch. Stay tuned, surfandvibe.co, and it'll be launching soon.
See the sunrise on my road.
Unfortunately, didn't get too many good waves out there. It was super small and was closing out all the time, but it was so good to get in the water. Right now, let's keep cruising around. Santa Monica Pier. Let's go check it. Little car show here on Santa Monica Pier.
It ain't gonna hate, only fucking with the deal. They got a lot in the city, it gets deals. No niggas plots, so I'm sliding with a hammer. Ain't getting shot, gotta end up in a slam. Don't make me pop west side of the west side. I'm in the shade, I got partners out best side. Live for the day, hitting Harlem, hitting uptown. Shallow fade, don't give a fucking nigga up now. Ain't nothing changed, need a rolling, keep the bus down. And keep the change, ghetto nigga at the swap meet. The super low. Big gas lighter, only thing touch my lips. Always been a fighter, always been with the shits. I've been pulling all-nighters, I've been trying to get rich. You stand up in my way, I ain't afraid to put tips on a hating ass nigga and this hating ass bitch. Don't be fucking with my paper, anyone could get slid. You know I'ma mind my business, build it up for my kid. I be chilling like this, it's posted up at the crib. I'm just trying to catch a vibe, get high, stay low, make the money multiply, still sliding to get more. Man, these niggas think they riding the beat, but they sound broke. Still a motherfucking problem, nigga who wants it. On my hip, cause it's active outside night, trying to get chill.
In like the 60s or 70s, this was Nautis's like signature spot to skate right here. These little ledges right here, super famous out here. Checked out the waves, still super small. It's even worse than earlier, but I see a bunch of action up here, so let's go check it out. chilling out, playing on the rooftop. Super sick. And right now we're at the Venice Beach Canals, which is a super chill area here in Venice Beach. There's these beautiful little canals that just go through some neighborhoods. And it's more like a local spot. Not everyone knows about these canals, so it's one of my favorite places in Venice because it's always like super peaceful and quiet. As I said, there's a dog barking, but it's always like a super chill spot. It's just so beautiful out. I can't beat this. A lot of celebrities will try to get a house in here because it is so laid back and more outside of the town and just super peaceful. Just grab a little canoe, get out there on the water, cruise around. We'll cruise back towards the skate park.
Got out of a dream today.